How to create a business account on WASK. Welcome to WASK. Today, we'll show you how to set up a business account to manage all your ad accounts in one place. Let's get started. There are two ways to create a business account. If you're just getting started, you'll see the onboarding screen. Enter your business name. Next, select your business category and worker count. Then, choose the most important KPI for your business goals. Once everything is set, click Continue to save your new business account. If you've already set up a business account or skipped this step, follow these steps to add another business account. Click the icon and go to Account Settings. Click the business to see any existing businesses you've set up. To add a new business, click Add Business. Then, follow the same steps as before. That's it. You're all set to streamline your ad optimization across multiple businesses with WASK. If you have any further questions, you can visit our Help Center, watch more tutorial videos, or contact our support team.